Hi, everyone. I'm Carey Pena alongside Brandon Lee, and we want to thank you for joining us for Good Morning Sunshine.
Yeah, I'm really excited to talk about and introduce this segment to the public. This episode is inspired and sponsored by Molina Healthcare. Molina Healthcare doing a lot of good and uplifting and elevating so many programs and important programs within our community. Today on the show is Christy Moore. She's the founder and the president of Social Spin Foundation. And no, we are not talking about spin class. People first see that, they're like, oh, spin what? And they think you're going to be riding bikes the entire time. No, that is not what we're talking about here today on Good Morning Sunshine. We are actually talking about providing clean clothes to members within our community who may be even struggling kind of sometimes with the basics. And I will often say, Christy, things that we take advantage of in our own personal lives, like having access to clean clothes, having access to a washer and dryer. That's not always the case. Tell us a little bit about your program. And I also want to know your why, like what inspired you to create this?
Yeah, absolutely. So yes, clean clothes are important, but we see clean clothes as dignity and a way to uplift our neighbors in need. So we do provide free laundry service and access to our washers and dryers thanks to Molina Healthcare. We're embedded in 5 different communities because we know that, just like you mentioned, laundry is essential, and unfortunately not everyone has access to laundry. And not only that, but they don't have access to other care that they might need. So we use our locations to connect customers to care and to community. So we have partners like Molina Healthcare on site, making sure that people have insurance so that they could seek behavioral health services, housing navigators, free haircuts, free showers, a hot meal, all the things that you might need while you're doing that weekly chore. I'm a social worker by profession, and I saw laundromats as an opportunity to leverage community, build community, and create spaces that are vibrant social hubs that celebrate arts, culture, and community.
What have you seen as you've been working on this journey? This was an interesting business model for you when you put it out there. I'm sure people are like, you're doing what? A laundromat, and you're going to incorporate mental health services, behavioral health. How have you seen the community impacted?
It's been significant. We actually ask our customers how the space has improved their situations, and they share that they know that they could come to a social spin and get the support that they need. It's a trusted space. They're meeting neighbors, which ultimately turns into more active lifestyles and friendships and connections and other resources.
And how do you think that improves their mental health?
Oh, I mean, not being isolated is, so when we were launching our new shower program, we asked our customers how a shower is important to them. And they shared that when they don't feel good or when they smell bad, they're isolated from people and can't make those connections. And when you have those connections, your mental health improves. You have people in a support system that you can turn to and resources as well.
Yeah, because we talk about in mental health too, right? The opposite of destructive behaviors and harmful behaviors is connection, right?
Yes.
Oftentimes when you're talking about substance use disorder, you're talking about the opposite of addiction is that connection.
Yep.
But I think that, people may say, oh, okay, clean clothes, but oftentimes one thing is a factor of another thing that is missing in someone's lives. So if someone doesn't have access to clean clothes, oftentimes they are food insecure.
Yep.
They are house insecure,
Yep.
right? And so, having Molina as a partner there and to provide, as a health plan there to help you support those services and bring this community together it's important to say, hey, do you have enough money for food?
Yeah, 100%.
Do you have a roof over your head right now?
Yes.
Because oftentimes if people don't have access to clean clothes, they don't have access to other things that are,
Absolutely.
and this is a way, I think, at help filling the gaps.
Yes, absolutely. And that's why we have a community fridge on site, a little library, a clothing rack, all of the wraparound services. And when we talk about our Wednesday, we have Wash with Care Wednesday, free laundry. It's a party in that space. We have a DJ. We have hundreds of people coming in and out, and you get to know those people in that safe space.
Removes the shame.
Yes.
Removes the shame.
And I love you're doing a lot of extended programs through this as well. I understand that if folks are walking through grief, that you extend yourself to helping them. Maybe someone had a new baby. Tell us about those programs.
Yeah, absolutely. We provide laundry service, including pickup and drop off to individuals who are homebound due to a disability or anyone who's moving through life because life is hard. We try to lighten their load by acknowledging that sometimes it's difficult to do your laundry. Regardless of your financial resources, you might not have the mental capacity, and that's okay because we're here to help you.
What has this done for you personally, this journey?
It's opened my eyes. It's shown me that people truly care about helping others. So it's restored my faith and hope in our community, which has taken a lot of hits lately. I certainly wouldn't have been able to advance Social Spin without the support of our community, which has been so generous. And I also see more how just simple acts, just clean clothes, have significant impact on people, and has reminded me that even though we're faced with really big challenges, if we do something small, we could see some great benefits happening.
You know, we had Clipped Art recently on the program.
They're
Clipped
great.
Art, right?
Yeah.
They're just an amazing program too. And I know people are like, okay, you know, you're offering free haircuts, you know, to folks. That's a great service, but it goes beyond that. You know, and I would tell my friends, I would say, hey, listen, when you have a great hair day, how do you feel? You feel empowered, like you actually walk with your chest up a little bit. You have this swag and this confidence about you,
Yes.
right? And so hair is a huge reflection about how we feel oftentimes, right?
Absolutely.
And so clothes are the same way. You know, we know that when we dress up, we feel a certain way. When you go to a gala, you know, and you feel a certain way when you get the opportunity to dress up, there's no difference, right? When we show up to work. And
Yes.
if people don't even have clean clothes to be able to go to work, they oftentimes won't even apply or show up for interviews because they are ashamed that they can't look the part or feel the part.
Yeah, we love Clipped Art. Now imagine, and we have a barbershop for them in our Phoenix location, and thanks to Molina Healthcare, they provide the free haircuts for our customers. So you've got clean clothes, you got a haircut, you've got a shower, your belly's full, you're feeling good and doing good.
So it's
We
so
love
cool.
everything. You're having a good hair day today, by the way.
Am I?
I love it. Yeah.
I wasn't feeling it too much, but
I just
you know,
want to just give you those
sometimes
quick
little pieces
props.
out of whack. You know, I got
Hi, Christy, thank you so much, and congratulations on all of your success. How many locations do you have
We're
now?
embedded in 5 locations.
This is
Yeah.
huge, and
Yeah.
are you expanding more? Or
We are providing technical support to laundromat owners across the nation who are interested in putting people over profit and recognize the good of leveraging the laundromats.
So this is a national effort here.
Yes.
Starting right here in Phoenix. We appreciate you. Where can people find out more?
Socialspinfoundation.org, and we're on all the social media channels under Social Spin AZ.
Total rock star. Thank you so much.
Thank
We
you for the
appreciate
work you're doing. Yeah. And thank you at home for watching. Share this message so we can get more people out there to support Christy and her endeavors to help change and provide mental health services to our community. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Take care, everyone, and be sure to click and subscribe and follow along with us as we bring incredible people like Christy and other experts in the mental and behavioral health fields to hopefully help all of you out there live your very best lives. I'm Carey Pena alongside Brandon Lee. Take good care.